Teachers and fellow students of AMA Computer Learning Center Macau, a pleasant day to all of you. Our topic is all about early warning systems and satellites improve disaster preparedness. Disaster is a sudden calamitous event that seriously disrupts the functioning of a community or society and causes human, material, and economic or environmental losses that exceed the community's or society's ability to cope using its own resources. Though often caused by nature, disasters can have human origins. Early warning system can be implemented as a chain of information communication systems and comprises sensors, event detection, and decision. Early warning systems are in most instances timely surveillance systems that collect information on epidemic-prone diseases in order to trigger prompt public health interventions. Two types of disasters: natural disaster and man-made disaster. Natural disaster is a major adverse event resulting from natural processes of the earth. Examples are floods, hurricanes, tornadoes, volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, tsunamis, storms, and other geologic processes. Man-made disasters can include hazardous material spills, fires, groundwater contamination, transportation accidents, structure failures, mining accidents, explosions, and acts of terrorism. There are actions that we can take to prepare to react appropriately to these events. These are the example of natural disasters. Disasters can have wide impact of our world. And these statistics, we know how essential rapid responses, especially in the first 24 hours following a disaster. Yet damaged infrastructure often make it nearly impossible to deliver the help that is needed when it is needed the most. With the capabilities of multiple space technologies, they can help transform humanitarian mission. EWS in satellites improve disaster preparedness importance. Early warning systems based on satellite imagery and data have already been playing a vital role in saving the world from natural disasters. And now is the time to use the immense capabilities of space technologies to solve the problems of locust swarms, help to reduce economic losses, and mitigate the number of injuries or deaths from a disaster by providing information that allows individuals and communities to protect their lives and property. Imaging satellite. Solid satellite images are one of the most powerful and important tools used by the meteorologists. They are essentially the eyes in the sky. These images reassure forecasters to the behavior of the atmosphere as they give a clear, concise, and accurate representation of how events are unfolding. Weather satellite. The weather satellite is a type of satellite that is primarily used to monitor the weather and climate of the Earth. Satellites can be polar orbiting, covering the entire Earth asynchronously, or geostationary, hovering over the same spot on the equator. Disaster management efforts aim to reduce or avoid the potential losses from hazards, assure prompt and appropriate assistance to the victims of a disaster, and achieve a rapid and effective recovery. It is crucial that hospitals remain safe and functional during and after disasters. Being prepared can reduce fear, anxiety, and losses that accompany disasters. People also can reduce the impact of disasters by flood-proofing, elevating a home or moving a home out of harm's way, and securing items that could get lost in an earthquake, and sometimes avoid the danger completely. The goal of disaster preparedness is to lessen the impact of disasters on vulnerable populations, to ready an organizations for an influx of activity and to design a coordinated plan that reduces the waste of resources, time, and efforts. Be safe, be aware, and be prepared. Thank you.